crews have told me that rescue crews have said that they're still struggling to get here.
أول شيء رجة الباب. عارف وين رجت يا كبير وراحت.
يا شباب قدرتوا توصلوا لجوا هونيك محل الانفجار ولا لسه؟
نحن ما قدرنا نوصل هونيك، وصلنا لهون.
اوكي.
لهونيك ما قربنا.
اوكي، ليه؟ شو السبب؟ لانه بعد الحرايق
بعد الحرايق عم يمتد، وبعد في شيء عم يفقع هونيك نحن ما عرفنا نوصل.
اوكي، يعني في خطر انه اذا رحتوا لهونيك انه اوكي.
يعني المفترض اذا حدا ببلغ البحريه تجي من البحر تطرق مي عليها لازم فينا نوقف فيها بدون قصد.
ايه. عندك معلومات عن قتلة
اكيد نحن هون صاروا في عدد كبير ما بقدر احصي لك اياه، شلنا كذا قتيل من اخر قتيل شلناه من هون حتى من تحت السياره من تحت الانفاق.
تقريبا قد ايه بتحط العدد؟ يعني فوق العشرة؟ فوق العشرة؟ اكيد عم نحكي عشرات يعني ولا عم نحكي؟
ما بقدر
نعم.
لك هذا العدد بس
نعم. ايه.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's still يعطيكم الف عافية. So we were just told that rescue crews here have removed more than 10 dead people, and we are hearing continued small explosions here. So I'm going to move away now. But this man was telling me, I think he works with the Islamic Red Crescent. He was telling me that rescue crews haven't gotten to the exact side of the blast because fire is continuing to rage, and there, you know, there's a security component there of there might be another blast. So this is the situation down here. It's a wasteland. It's night now, so you can't see too much of what's going on, but in front of me here there's a hangar that's just completely bent, twisted. There's a large ship over there right in front of us, which you can maybe just make out, that is leaning sidewards onto the quay side. There is smoke coming up. What you see right there in front of you there in the image is grain silos, and there's smoke coming up out of the grain silos. So it looks like it's going to be a long rescue operation. And again, I mean, right now there are no firefighters and no medical crews right here at the epicenter of the blast, which looks like it came from inside a warehouse that has been entirely ripped apart. So that's a quick update from here. I'm running low on battery, but yeah, extremely, I mean, devastating day here in Beirut today.